What if skipping food for just 36 hours could help your body torch fat, lower inflammation, and clean out damaged cells like a biological detox? Sounds unbelievable, but it's exactly what happens during an extended fast, and it's backed by real science from top US health institutions. We're diving into the biology of a 36-hour fast to reveal what really happens inside the body, why it works, and how to make the most of it. Stick around until the end because we're not only uncovering what happens hour by hour, but also how to fast safely, who should avoid it, and the mental and physical transformations that can follow. Plus, we'll share where to go next if you're ready to upgrade your nutrition game. And if you're just joining us, welcome back to Dynamic Body Hub, where we break down complex health science into easy, actionable steps for everyday wellness. Most people think fasting is just skipping meals, but what if it's actually the biological equivalent of hitting a master reset button? This isn't just about willpower or weight loss, this is about unlocking an ancient, built-in mechanism for healing and optimizing the body from the inside out. When food is removed for a prolonged period, the body doesn't just slow down, it recalibrates. Enzymes shift, hormones adapt, internal systems switch from storage to repair mode. It's like your body saying, "No incoming fuel? Time to optimize what we've got." Fasting isn't starvation. It's intentional, controlled, and deeply restorative when done correctly. From brain function to fat metabolism, and from cellular detox to inflammation reduction, the cascade of changes is nothing short of extraordinary. That's what we'll unpack now, step by step. Number 1. Glycogen depletion and fat burning activation. The first 12 hours after your last meal may feel uneventful, but behind the scenes, a powerful transformation is underway. Your body is tapping into its backup fuel. Glycogen, the stored form of glucose in the liver and muscles, becomes the primary source of energy. As these stores dwindle, your body is prompted to adapt, quickly and efficiently. Once glycogen runs low, the body initiates a major metabolic shift. It starts breaking down stored fat into ketone bodies. These molecules aren't just a temporary fix, they're a preferred energy source for the brain and muscles during extended fasting. Harvard Health confirms this metabolic transition by highlighting that ketones offer stable, clean-burning energy that's less inflammatory than glucose. This process also helps preserve muscle mass while accelerating fat burn. Interestingly, this is also when hunger often starts to fade. As insulin levels drop and ketones rise, the hunger hormone ghrelin becomes less active. So while it might sound counterintuitive, many people feel less hungry after 12 hours than they did a few hours after their last meal. This metabolic state not only encourages fat loss, it enhances mitochondrial efficiency. That means the tiny power plants in your cells start functioning better, producing more energy with less waste. This is the foundational phase where fasting's benefits truly begin. It's not just about surviving without food, it's about the body discovering a more efficient, built-in survival strategy. Imagine the body flipping from storage mode to burn mode, drawing fuel from fat while staying mentally sharp and physically steady. Number 2. Deepened ketosis. By the 24-hour mark, your body is fully adapted to using fat as its primary energy source. Your bloodstream is now rich with ketones, and your insulin levels are significantly lower. This hormonal shift helps reduce inflammation and allows fat burning to accelerate. According to the Cleveland Clinic, this is when the body reaches a deep state of ketosis. Many people report clearer thinking, consistent energy, and improved mood at this stage. It's the moment when the body runs on clean, self-generated fuel, efficient and focused. Ever felt this kind of clean energy before? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're listening. Number 3. Autophagy begins. Between 30 and 36 hours, the body begins an extraordinary internal reset, autophagy. This is a self-repair process where old, damaged cells are broken down and repurposed into raw materials for new, healthier cells. Think of it like spring cleaning at the cellular level. Cleveland Clinic describes autophagy as a natural detox mechanism that supports longevity, reduces disease risk, and optimizes cell function. While this shift isn't always physically noticeable, it's one of the most significant regenerative actions your body performs. Can anyone imagine their body running smoother just by skipping meals? Drop a yes if this sounds like something worth trying. Number 4. Hormonal optimization. Beyond fat loss and cellular cleanup, fasting orchestrates a hormonal symphony that benefits your entire body. Insulin sensitivity improves, meaning your body becomes more efficient at managing blood sugar. Growth hormone levels rise, helping preserve muscle while encouraging fat loss. Harvard Health notes that fasting enhances insulin performance significantly. At the same time, Johns Hopkins reports benefits like lowered blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and better cholesterol. This is the body recalibrating itself to function more efficiently and protect long-term health. Number 5. Visible health improvements. By the 36-hour mark, many changes that started invisibly now become obvious. Fat loss begins to register on the scale and in the mirror. Cravings fade. Digestion feels lighter. Sleep may improve. Your body isn't just lighter, it's operating on a better rhythm. A clinical study showed that those following a 36-hour fast with a 12-hour eating window reduced their calorie intake by over a third and lost more than 7 pounds in just a month. The Mayo Clinic backs this up, highlighting better blood sugar, inflammation, and cholesterol profiles. These are more than numbers, they're signs your body is working smarter. Has anyone tried a 36-hour fast? Share the experience below. We love hearing real stories from the community. But, and this is a big but, there are real risks. Going this long without food can lead to dizziness, headaches, and low energy. According to the Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins, fasting beyond 24 hours without medical guidance can backfire. The body might shift into preservation mode, storing fat instead of burning it. Even worse, dry fasting. That's when both food and water are skipped. Experts say this is dangerous, leading to dehydration, kidney stress, and electrolyte imbalance. It's strongly advised against. Would anyone ever consider dry fasting? Tell us what you think. It's controversial, and we want to hear all sides. So, who should try a 36-hour fast? Healthy adults who've already built up some fasting experience. Who shouldn't? Anyone who's pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, underweight, on medications, or has chronic conditions. Always check with a doctor first. For those giving it a go, here are 5 smart rules to follow. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water. 2. Add electrolytes, especially if feeling lightheaded. 3. Don't start cold. Try 16 or 24-hour fasts first. 4. Break the fast gently. Choose nutrient-rich foods. 5. Pay attention. If something feels off, stop immediately. Here's something surprising. Many report mental benefits as powerful as the physical ones. Sharper focus, clearer thinking, and a renewed sense of control. Could that be the real reason fasting sticks around for some? Final word, a 36-hour fast is a metabolic intervention, an intentional pause that pushes the body to perform better. It activates systems that are rarely used in our constant eating culture, such as deep fat oxidation, hormonal recalibration, and cellular repair through autophagy. Clinical data shows improved markers for inflammation, insulin sensitivity, cholesterol, and even cognitive performance after prolonged fasting. But beyond numbers, many experience something harder to quantify: mental clarity, discipline, and a reset in how food is perceived. This isn't about pushing the body to the limit. It's about creating space for the body to recover, recalibrate, and function the way it was designed to, efficiently and intelligently. The value of a 36-hour fast lies not just in what's lost, but in what's regained: control, energy, and a deeper connection to internal health signals. It's not a trend, it's a tool. One backed by research, sharpened by experience, and ready to transform if approached with respect and preparation. It can reboot mindset. If you found value today, hit the like button, share this video with someone who's curious about fasting, and subscribe for more science-backed insights that help you live and feel better. Also, your voice matters. Have you ever done a 36-hour fast, or tried fasting of any kind? What worked? What didn't? Drop your experience in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone who's just starting out. To continue your journey, explore our 2 curated playlists for a complete view of your health. The first, Foods to Consume for Healthy Living, features short, practical videos on foods that support muscle growth, reduce belly fat, help diabetics, and boost overall health. The second, Signs of Disease in the Body, helps you understand subtle health warnings, from liver issues to diabetes and even early signs of cancer. Whether you're building your diet or learning to spot red flags, these playlists offer comprehensive, science-backed knowledge to support every step of your wellness journey. Fasting smart, not hard. And remember, sometimes the most powerful reset comes not from what we add, but from what we take away. Until next time,